So look at here. Okay, we just started now. Look. So you have this is which format? A cube minus B cube. So that is okay. Look here. This one a cube minus 0.6 whole cube. Correct or no? So that is a minus 0.6 into a square plus b square 0.36 minus ab 0.6a. This is the answer. A minus 0.6 into a square plus 0.6. Okay, 0.6a. Oh, sorry, it's plus. Okay, plus 0.6a in plus 0.36. Okay, clear now? I don't know. Hey, you can hear or not? Hello? This is your problem. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it is 0.36. Yeah, I wrote 0.36. 6 into 6, 36. Point is there between 0 and 3. 0.36. 0.36. Okay, clear now? 0.36. What? Yeah, A into B. 0.36. No, listen. A square. What is A cube minus B cube? A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB, right? Correct or no? So A what? A only. B what? 0.6. A square. A square only. B square. 0.6 square. 0.36 plus AB. 0.6 into 0.6A. What is the problem? This guy what it will link. Okay, clear now? Okay, so next question, right? Next question. Find the value of, this is a star question, okay? Find the value 0.87 into 0.87 into 0.87 plus 0.13 into 0.13 into 0.13 divided by 0.87 into 0.87 minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 into 0.13. Look at here. Once again, I'll read. Off your video and all. If it is off, on, okay. Who's 010620? Who's this one? Without name. 01. One guy name is 010620. Who's that? Tell me fast. The name entry is 010620. Who this? Change. Write your name. Hello. Log out and come back. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Listen here. The question is here. Find the value. Listen. Find the value. Find the value 0.87 into 0.87 into 0.87 plus 0.13 into 0.13 into 0.13 divided by 0.87 into 0.87 minus 0.87 into 0.13. Okay. then 0.13 into 0.13. Look at, listen here. Hello, don't try now. If you are going to multiply, you never get it. You start now, maybe Wednesday you will get it. That much time will take. Okay, here you have to use your common sense. Look, see the question: 0.87 into 0.87 into 0.87 plus 0.13 into 0.13 into 0.13 divided by 0.87 into 0.87 minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 into 0.13. Okay, look at here. Here, this is, look, this one we can write 0.87 whole cube plus 0.13 whole cube divided by 0.87 whole square minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 whole square. Which format is one? AQ plus BQ format, right or no? Hello. The format is what? AQ plus BQ format. So AQ plus BQ is what? AQ plus BQ is what? A plus B into A plus B. 0.87 plus 0.13 into A square. 0.87 square minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 square divided by same thing. The same repeated here. This one cancel. Final answer what? 0.87 plus 0.13. What is that? Answer is what? Answer is what? 1. Are you okay? Is it okay or not? Hello? Repeat it what? Look. First of all, listen here. The question is, question what? 0.87 into, listen, I'll do again. Listen. 0.87, listen, 0.87 into 0.87 into 0.87 plus 0.13 into 0.13 into 0.13. That part only I'm explaining now. Remaining part, keep it there. This one, 0.87 whole cube plus 0.13 whole cube. Correct or no? A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So A is 0.17, B is 0.13. A square minus A into B plus B square divided by same thing down. This same thing. This one and this one cancel. Okay, balance what? 0.87 plus 0.13. That is 1. Clear now? Others? Okay, now. So I'm sending a question now. 16.123. I'm sending now. Okay. So you can copy it directly. Okay. So what is the problem? Others, denominator, I didn't do anything. Come on, man. Oh, okay, okay, then right. Okay, denominator, I didn't do anything. Just keep denominator, I didn't touch. Look, 0.87 square. 0.87 to 0.87. Only I put in bracket. Then 0.13 square. That's all I did. Clear now? Denominator, I didn't touch as it is. Okay. So I'll get the question. I'll write here. Okay. So next question. Uh, 173 into 173 into 173 plus 127 into 127 into 127 divided by 173 into 173 minus 173 into 127 plus 127 into 127. Okay, try now. 173 into 173 into 173. Yes. 173 into 173 into 173 plus 127 into 127 into 127 divided by 173 into 173 minus 173 into 127 plus 127 into 127. Okay, do it fast. Okay, answer is what? Answer is 300. 300. Come on, man. Pranav. Just adding 173 plus 127, you got 200. What addition, man? What typing mistake? It is 300. Everybody got, right? Is it okay? Any doubt? Everyone, right or not? All the guys. You know, doubt? Come on. I want this others. What happened to you, man? Look, this is 173 whole cube plus 127 whole cube divided by 173 square minus 173 into 127 plus 127 whole square. Which format this one? A cube plus B cube. You didn't by heart the identity. A cube plus B cube is what? A cube plus B cube is what? A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A plus B. 173 plus 127 into A square 173 square plus minus 173 into 127 plus B square 127 square. That is same thing down. So cancel 120
173 plus 127. Okay. Others, I didn't understand what is you asking this one doubt still. Copied question wrong, that's your problem. Okay. Okay. It's clear now, right? Okay. Anyone here from Fahil town? Fahil town area, anyone here? No, I just want to know whether the bookshops all open or not. Mangaf, no. Bookshops. I want to buy the marker. Okay. So next question. Are you okay now? This is okay now, right? Is it okay? Now need to repeat the same time. Correct or no? Okay. Others okay now. Next question, right? Okay. Oh, okay. So what we will do? You have to wait because my marker is going to finish. Okay. So next question. Okay. Next one. X plus 1. Right. X plus 1. Little complicated one. Okay. X plus 1. X plus x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. X plus 1 whole cube. Right. X plus 1. X plus 1 whole cube. X plus 1. X plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. Okay. Try now. Why all do you do all this star question only? Come on. You work out only star only. Everything start. I'm doing all extra questions only, not reader. Reader will start today. Okay. I not prefer the reader questions. Reader will you doing at school in school, right or no? Finally, one day I'll just check the reader questions. That's only. Today I'll do some reader questions. Okay, try this one. X plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. So which format? A cube minus B cube format you can use it. How come 0? What are you writing this guy? Sairam. How come 0 this one? It's not 0.
The format is what? A cube minus B cube format. A cube minus B cube is what? A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. Apply this one. A cube, listen, A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB, where A is x plus 1 cube. This is also cube. Okay, not square. Okay. A cube, my question is what? X plus 1 whole cube minus of x minus 1 whole cube. The format is A cube minus B cube. Look at here. Okay, A here x plus 1, B here x minus 1. So this one A cube, sorry, A minus B, x plus 1 minus of x minus 1 in bracket. Correct or no? A minus B, A x plus 1 minus of B x minus 1 into A square x plus 1 whole square plus B square x minus 1 whole square plus AB x plus 1 into x minus 1. Are you okay or not? This writing okay? Look at here. Hello, listen. Listen on. The question is x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. That is, format is A cube minus B cube format. Okay. Then A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus AB. Okay. So A equal to x plus 1, B is x minus 1. Okay. Then A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. So x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into this one, x square plus 2x plus 1. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 1 into x minus 1, x square minus 1. Okay, this is x cancel 2. X square, x square, x square. How many x square? 3x square, right? Okay. Plus 2x, this is cancel. Plus 1, this is cancel. Plus 2. So answer is 2 into 3x square. 3x square plus 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, correct or no? Anything wrong? Plus 1 x square. Correct or no? Just check, cross check the answer. No, this is 1 only here, right? Okay, so 1 only is okay. 1 only here. Okay. What turn? Camera, what is the problem? Turn, okay. Okay, correct, can see. Okay, answer is 2 times 3x square plus 1. 2 times or 6x square plus 2. 6x square plus 2. Okay. The first bracket, this one. A minus B, x plus 1 into x minus 1. Answer this one only. Okay, different method maybe. Okay, different answer is wrong. Answer is this much only. If you can do different method, look at here. If you open this one, a plus b whole cube, then you find out x minus 1 whole cube. Subtract, you will get it. Hello. Final answer will be 6x square plus 2. 6x square plus 2. 6x square plus 2. This is the final answer. If you want, you can do another method. You just open this one, a plus b whole cube. Then a minus b whole cube. Subtract it. You'll get the answer. Okay. Yeah, different method. Answer correct or not? You got? You got answer correct or not? Which method you did? A plus b whole cube you did?
Sri Kumar, which method you did? Okay, that no problem. No problem. That is okay. No problem. Okay. So next question. Okay. So can you try next question now? Is it okay now? Right. Next one. Factorize. Factorize. Listen, another thing. The question is factorizing. So you write 2 into method. Okay. Because factorizing is the product format, not just one answer. Okay. Next one, write factorize a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. A raised to 6. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Okay, try this one. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Okay. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Okay, try all. Let us see. Okay. Okay. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. So finish. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Okay. Let me try. Are you okay, Shilas? Okay, look at here. This one we can write a cube whole square minus b cube whole square, right? Correct or no? A cube whole square, a into 3, 3 into 6. Okay, that means what? A cube plus b cube into a cube minus b cube, right? Look, a cube plus b cube into a cube minus b cube. So now what is this one? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This one a minus b into a square plus ab
plus b square. This is the answer for all got.
If listen, a raised to 6 we can write a cube whole square. B raised to 6 we can write b cube whole square. That is a plus b into a minus b. A cube plus b cube into a cube minus b cube. So a cube plus b cube formula what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. What is a raised to 4? That is wrong. No, it's wrong. Okay. We need a factoring for others. 3 outside. How come take 3 outside? You mean a square whole cube? A square whole cube. Okay, then if you get this one, okay, no problem. Okay. And then you can a square whole cube, then a square. Then still it will come here. Okay. No, different answer now. Same answer. Okay. So now we have to do some reader questions. Okay. You have the reader with you, right? So okay, take the reader. Hello. Now we have Wednesday we had finished this chapter, so we take the reader. We had finished our reader questions. Hello, take the reader. Page 49. Page 49. 49. Okay. Page 49. Okay. Different answer, how come others? If a different method, you should have the same answer. Okay, send me your answer, then I'll check it. Okay. Inaya, our question is what? Factorize. If you're writing a product, what's the meaning? If you write this one, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, instead of that, you can write this one, no? Inaya, listen. Your question is asking whether you can write a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. You can write. But why are you writing? Then you can write, keep it like this, as a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Our question is factorize. Make it like 10 equal to 2 into 5, 1 into 2 into 5, like that. Not combine. Make it different factors. Suppose writing a plus b one factor, a square minus ab plus b square another factor, a minus b third factor, fourth factor, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the way you ought to write it. Okay. So now take page 49. Page 49. If those who have different answer, send me, I'll check it. Okay. Those are different answers, send me, I'll check it. Okay. Take page 49. Page 49. Okay, you have to do question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, do that. Later I'll check it. Question number 8. Then 9, both. You don't have a textbook. Why? Why don't have textbook? It is available in the net. Download it. Okay. But still you don't have text. I'll send you the copy that. Okay. It is available in the NCERT site, man. Okay. Why didn't you download it? Okay, wait. Let me finish the question first. Some guys now still not read out. Okay. Try question number 8. Question number 8. 8, all questions. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can check the back answer whether matching or not. If not matching, only tell me. Okay. Question number 8. Okay. Do first now. Okay. Each question check the back answer. If not matching, only tell me. Who is this? Aksha. You wrote you cancelled. Then what is the? How can I check this one? No, we cannot. This is not a complete factor. We cannot. This is not a complete factor. Others. We can simplify again this one. Others. Because a square minus b square, we can write what? A square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. Then a raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4, we can simplify. Anyway, try this reader question now. Okay. Manasvi, why can't you download these answers and all? Okay. Question is question number 8. Haripriya, question number 8. Page 49, question number 8, 1, 8, 2, like that one. Okay. Are you getting now? The first one I'll show you. Look at here. The first question I'll show you. Look at here. Okay. Before that, hey, listen. Before that, others, listen all. Hello. Just listen. Before others send another method, I show you that method. Look at here. Here out. A square whole cube minus b square. Oh, my pen problem. Okay. Look at here. Just wait. Let me check the pen. Look, a square whole cube minus b square whole cube. He did like this, correct or not? Others. So this one here format is what? X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. That format. Okay, so x is a square minus y is b square into x square x a raised to 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4. Okay, this is not a final answer. Others, listen all. Who all listen? Who all did this way? Listen here. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. We wrote a square whole cube minus b square whole cube. Okay, then the format is x cube minus y cube, that is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. X is a square, y is b square, a square minus b square. Okay, this is not a final answer. Reason is a square minus b square we can write as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this also we can simplify. That is it's a tough part. Look, that part I'll show you. A raised to 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4. Can I write a square plus b square whole square? Is it okay? A raised to 4. Listen, a raised to 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4. Can I write a square plus b square a square plus b square whole square? Is it okay or not? No, 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 no. Because a square plus b square whole square is what? A square a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2a square b square. Correct or no? When you open, look, when you open this one, we will get a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2a square b square. Correct or no? But we have one a square b square only. We have only one a square b square. Additionally, we got a square b square. Agree or no? Listen. Once again, listen. A raised to 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4. If you write this way, a square plus b square whole square mean a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus 2a square b square. But we have only one a square b square only we require. So you subtract a square b square. Now it is okay. Correct or no? Now this one and this one same. Okay, now which form now? A square minus b square format. A square plus b square plus a plus b into a square plus b square minus a. This one you have to write. This much steps you have to write it. So better write the previous method. Clear now? Others. who all used the previous this method, don't use it better. Okay, if you are confident, you can use it. Otherwise, use the other method. Okay. Now come back to our question.
Look.
The first question is
8. Look. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, right?
This is the first one.
So this one we can write 2a whole cube plus b whole cube plus 3 into 2a whole square into b, 4a square, 4 into 12 plus 3 into 2a into b square. Which format is one? 2a plus b whole cube. Finish.
2a plus b whole cube. This is the first one. Who asked the first question doubt? Why you can't see? Then something wrong with your okay. Ink will be okay, man. Yeah, that is something okay. No, don't follow this. Okay. Okay. Wait. I'll do all the questions. Okay. Don't need to worry about it. Okay. So the first question again, look at here. The Saad, look at here.
Okay. The first question is, we can write, look, this one 2a whole cube plus b whole cube plus 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square. So okay, now you can see a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is what 2a plus b whole cube. Okay, finish.
Clear now, Saad. Okay. Now, second question. Look at here. Second question I'm doing now. Okay. Look, second question.
Look, 8 a cube minus b cube minus 12 a square b plus 6 a b square. 8 a cube minus b cube minus 12 a square b plus 6 a b square. Okay, here. This one we can write 2a whole cube minus b whole cube minus 3 into 2a whole square b plus 3 into a into b square. Sorry, 3 into 2a into b square. So which format? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is what? 2a minus b whole cube. Finish. Simple. 2a minus b whole cube. Okay. So next one, number 3. Pranav, look at here. Only one line only. You have idea what is a minus b whole cube? Check that one. First check a minus b whole cube is what? A cube minus b cube. This one. 8a cube means 2a whole cube. B I wrote minus b cube. 3 into a square b plus 3ab square. First of all, you have to identify which identity. Then 8a cube root is 2a. B only. 2a minus b whole cube. Okay, now third one. Okay, third one. You're trying or not? Okay, third one, look at here. Third one, 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135a plus 225 a square. Okay, so from the question itself, we can understand this is a minus b whole cube format. So 3 cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 into 3 square into 5a. Check correct or not? 9 into 3. How much? Okay, listen. Which format is okay? We can write this one 3 into 5a into 3 square. Okay, correct or not? 3 into 15, 15 9, 135 plus 3 into 3 square into 5a or 5a 3 into 3 square 5a whole square into 3. So then what you can write? This format is 3 minus 5a whole cube. Just rearrangement. Yeah, sorry, B or yeah, 3 minus 5a, 3 minus 5a whole cube, not B, A. 3 minus 5a whole cube. Okay, write fast. Okay, so next one. Why you cannot see this one? There's something wrong in your net. Because here already everyone can see. Okay. Okay, so next question is what? Can you try? Next question you will get very simple. 4a minus 3b whole cube.
4a, from the question itself you can understand, 4a minus 3b whole cube. You try yourself. 9, sorry, fourth you try. If not getting, tell me, I'll do it. Okay. No, listen. Fourth one we got answer is fourth one is 4a minus 3b whole cube. Are you okay? Okay. Fifth one I'll show you. Fourth one not getting. Come on, look at here. Fourth one. Look. 64 a cube minus 27 b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 a b square, right? Okay, this one we can write 4a whole cube minus 3b whole square minus 3 into 4a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 4a into 3b whole square. You have to check correct or not. 60 into 3, 48 into 3, 144. So after writing this step, what? 4a minus 3b whole cube. That's all. Okay. 4a minus 3b whole cube. So now one more question. Okay. Wait. Fifth one I'll show you. Three B, which one? You are asking which one? Yeah. 3b whole cube. Which one are you asking others? This one. Finished now. 4a minus 3b whole cube. Not only 3b whole cube. 4a minus 3b whole cube. Camera, what is the problem? Camera clear, no? Rishabh, what is the problem? Everyone can see, no? Camera, right? Why you want to turn? This is clear. Okay. So now next one, fifth one. Fifth one, I'll show it better. Okay, look at here now. Look, fifth one. Um, 27 p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Okay. This one we can write 3p whole cube. Sorry, 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube. From here, answer is there. Minus 3 into 3p whole square into 1 by 6. Just writing this step only. Plus 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 whole square. So now next step is what? 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Finish. 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Okay, now we are going to do, okay, copy this one. Okay. So next question. Try ninth question now. Hello. Ninth one. Ninth one and two we need. Just listen. If not getting, tell me. I'll explain this one. Ninth one. Ninth one. You try. Okay. If you're facing any problem, tell me. I'll explain here. Okay. First you try. You're going to end the chapter. But both are correct means what? You have to prove, man. Come on. You have to prove. Not, don't say both are correct. It is correct. Okay, look at here. I'll show this one. Look at here. The ninth one, listen here. Look.
Prove that x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square.
Okay. The proof means actually proof. Side is LHS. This is RHS. You can start from LHS to get RHS or RHS to LHS. Hello. The plan. Listen. I'll show here. Listen. The plan is. Look. The plan is. You start from LHS, then get RHS, or start from RHS to get LHS. But here we cannot start from LHS. So start from RHS. Look at here.
X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square.
Okay.
Open it. X into x square, x cube, minus x into xy, x square y, plus x into y square, x y square, plus y into x square, y x square, y into minus x y square, y into y square, y cube. Okay. This is cancel, all cancel. Answer what? X cube plus y cube equal to LHS. Right, like this.
This way you have to answer it. Okay. This way you have to just open the bracket, you will get the answer. Okay, then try next one. Yeah, okay, no problem. Same way. Try next one. Okay. Same way you try 9. Okay. Next one, 9th 2. Same way you open, you'll get it. Okay. Okay. Wait. I'll tell you next one. What's the plan? Okay. Okay, both finish or not? Yeah, both finish. Okay, so now finish now. Ninth, finish. Ninth, both finish. Clear or not? All the guys. Okay, then you go to 10th one. Then you go to 10th one. 10th, 1 and 2. 10th, 1 and 2. We did already last class this one. Okay, same way you try now. 10th, 1 and 2. Okay, finish or not? Both finish? The first one answer is 3y into 5z into, okay, I'll wait. Okay. Okay, finish, both finish or not? Hello, 10th both finish or not? First answer is 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Second one is 4m minus 7n into 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Because we did last class, just try finish the reader, that's only. Okay, then you can try now question number 11. Question number 11, try first. Question number 11. Okay, you finish now. Question number 11 finish or not? Question number 11. Okay, 11 only last class we discussed. No, this is just repetition only. Look, question number 11. Look, uh, 27. That means you don't learn this one. 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. This one we can write 3x whole cube plus y whole cube plus z whole cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. Which format? Which format? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is that? A plus b plus c. 3x plus y plus z into a square 9x square plus b square y square z square minus ab 3xy minus bc yz minus 3xz. Okay. Last two classes we discussed this one only. Tenth, I'm not going to show. You check the last class note. We did already. Okay. I'm not going to show that. Okay, then you try now. 12th one, leave it now. Okay, 12th one we'll do later. Okay, let's see whether school doing or not. Sometimes school not doing 12th one. Last year they didn't do it. Okay, then you try question number 13. Question number 13. 12th one, if you're doing in school, we'll do. Okay, otherwise leave it. Try question number 13, 1, 3. Question number 13 after this one. Okay, you try. If not getting, I'll show. Wednesday we'll finish this chapter. Then we'll start lines and angles, geometry. Coordinate geometry I'll do later. Okay, that's all easy chapter. One day enough. If you want, I can start. No problem. Okay. You need a graph book. You have the graph book and all. That's the problem. You have the graph books from where available. That's the problem. Okay. Everyone have graph book. I can start coordinate geometry. So better later we could do. Okay. It's not a big chapter. Okay. It's only one class enough, that chapter. Just one class enough. Okay, so we'll do another chapter. That's a big one. Lines and angles. Okay, you got 13? Question number 13, got or not? 1, 3, who all got? Okay, so wait. Yeah, we have lines and angle. Yeah, okay, lines and angle. Okay, that's a big chapter. Good. Twelfth one, leave it. 12th one, leave it now because let's see school finish or then they're doing or not. Okay. So look at here. 13th one I'll show here. Look. Okay, x plus y plus z equal to 0. X plus y plus z equal to 0. Show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, now look at here. We have to prove it. This one. Look. First of all, you write x plus y. X plus y plus z equal to 0. Therefore, x plus y equal to minus z. Agree or not? Right? Look, x plus y plus z equal to 0. Therefore, x plus y equal to minus z. Okay, cubing on both sides. What? Cubing on both sides. That is x plus y whole cube minus z whole cube. Okay. Then this is x cube plus y cube plus 3 x cube plus y cube plus what? 3xy into x plus y. Correct or no? 3xy into x plus y equal to minus z cube. Right? Once again, x plus y plus z equal to 0. Z is going that side. X plus y equal to minus z. Then write cubing on both sides. X plus y whole cube equal to minus z cube. A cube, b cube, 3ab into a plus b minus z cube.
Next line, x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz. Sorry, minus z. Correct or not? Minus z equal to minus z cube. Take all one side. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0.
Write first. Okay. The proof understood or not? Identify to show this, which what identity? No, you have to prove this one. Not don't use the identity to prove an identity. Don't use that one. You have to prove this one. So follow this method. Okay. No, identity we are using. Which one is one? A plus b whole cube. Once again, look. The given is what? Given is x plus y plus z equal to 0. Prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So first you write x plus y equal to minus z. Then cubing on both sides. X plus y whole cube equal to minus z whole cube. A cube, b cube, 3ab into a plus b equal to minus z cube. X plus y already there, minus z. Now taking all one side, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. This is coming plus, this is minus 3xyz equal to 0. Are you clear now? Okay. Okay, if it is finished, then try 14th one. 14th, both questions. 14, both questions. We did already, just a revision. Okay, so finish. Are you okay now? So then try 14th one. 14th 1 and 2. You know how to do this one. You did already this one. Okay. Just I want to finish the reader. Okay. This is our after finishing all extra questions, just go to the reader. Fourteenth one. 14th second one. First one you got or not? Ansel. First one you got or not? 14 first question you got or not? Answer this. Yeah, then what is the problem? Second one. First one, if you got the same thing only. How you got first one? Same way. I'm not going to explain this question. You try yourself first. Okay. We did how many questions we did this time? There is no 3ABC. Come on. Others, just turn your book and find out this question. Same question we can do it. Okay. Check your book first. Last class we discussed many questions. This one I just repeated only. Check now. I'm not going to explain this one. Check your book first. Anyone can find the question number? Answer me. What is the question number? This one we did. Hello. Can you find the question number? Date. Page 129 questions. Okay. 129. Karam, it is correct. 129. Yeah, SV. What is the question number? Then I can say to others. You should have question number, date or date. 27th May. 27th May is not very far. Okay, 27th May is not very far. It is last Saturday. Correct or not? Last Saturday. Yes. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Oh, come on. Just last class only, right? Yeah. Third sum. Correct. 27th May, Wednesday. Yes. So check. Not. I'm not going to explain this one. Okay, listen here. Now, Wednesday's class, a revision class only. Okay, so you have to revise all the portions, polynomials. Okay, then only you can finish polynomial. It's a revision class. We'll do factor theorem. We'll do remainder theorem. Zeros will do. Then splitting the middle term, long divisions. All type of questions we'll discuss it. Okay, clear now? So then only I can you revised today Monday, Wednesday. Sorry, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Revise all the portions so far we finish. Okay, check the reader. Oh, same question we did already. Pranav? 14th one. Okay, so this is enough today. Now, listen once again, Wednesday, a revision class. So everyone prepare for that. You can ask the doubts if any. After that, Wednesday, Saturday onwards, new chapter. Okay, this is enough today. Okay.